If your Pi Network KYC is still on tentative approval, you've not gotten a KYC slot, or your coins has not been migrated into your wallet, I'm here to tell you that it is not your fault. Yes, it's not your fault. But there are basically two solutions to this, two things that you can do to get out of this situation. And those are what I am going to be showing to you in this video. If you notice, for some time now, I've not talked about Pi Network on this my page. And that is because most of the updates that I've been getting on it, I do drop them as a long form content on my YouTube channel. So for those of you that are following me on YouTube, you would have gotten the update. In regards to this Pi Network KYC, it is not actually your fault. All of these delays, all of these issues and the likes, these are from the Pi Network core team themselves. And they implemented this in order to curb people, in order to curb users that are going to use multiple accounts. For instance, I opened about 3 different Pi accounts, and I'm sure a lot of you open 10 accounts, 5 accounts, and different numbers. If not for these KYC restrictions and the likes, you would have most likely gotten those 10 accounts verified and you would have cashed out from it. So these are the type of things that Pi Network is trying to curb, and that is why they implemented all of these KYCs here and there, and that is why you've not gotten a KYC slot. But as of now that I'm making this video, they've now implemented a new KYC feature that uses AI to process people's KYC. And since they integrated this thing, they've been able to approve about 3.3 million people. Out of 4 point something million that was stuck on KYC, they were able to approve about 3.3 million people. And after that 3.3 million that the KYCs have been approved, about 2 million, their coins has been migrated into their wallet. And this is solely because these people were eligible, they were qualified users, they've done all the necessary things. So what can you do to get out of this situation? The first method, you need to make sure that you are active on Pi app. Keep checking in daily. If you're still on tentative approval, it simply means you've already been approved, but they just require some, certain things that is going to help them to now finally press that approve button, which are things like checking into your app daily. Some users are still getting pop-up to grant Pi Network access to their camera so that they can capture their face and the likes. If you get that pop-up, make sure to approve it. Capture your face. They still need to do some few verifications in order to approve you, or to give you your KYC, or to get your coins migrated into your wallet for you. So assist the system while they are doing their best and doing all of these upgrades. Assist it so that your KYC can be faster approved for you. And the second thing you can do is to make sure that you are active on this my page, and most especially be active on my X. Search for Tonios Tech on X. Follow me there. I'm constantly monitoring updates from Pi Network and every other airdrops that I'm participating in. So as long as I get updates from them, I'm going to make videos on it and I'm going to get it firsthand there. And as you know, I'm the best when it comes to tutorials. So anything that is difficult, complex, or any heavy task that requires to be done, I'm going to break it down and you get the steps simple and straightforward. And that is basically it. So while you're still waiting for Pi Network to approve your KYC or to resolve any issues that you're having, make sure that you are making money from other airdrops. Make sure you are participating in other projects. A project like Zilly. Zilly is a work-to-earn platform that rewards you for doing simple social media tasks. Currently, they are hosting a TikTok campaign where they are rewarding about $5,000 to creators who create videos and rank on the leaderboard. So you could basically create a TikTok account right now, connect it to Zilly, start making videos on Zilly, rank on the leaderboard, and get paid. You could also, on the Zilly app, participate in tasks like following of social media platforms, liking of posts, commenting, and those basic simple social media tasks. You get rewarded from it, all from Zilly. So if it sounds like what you're interested in, you can check my profile right now. There's already a link there where you can register and begin. And as always, don't forget to hit this plus button that's right here so you get to follow me here. And here's the link on my profile to join my Telegram channel, because that is where I do drop most of my updates.